we've got our boat tied up nice and tight to these posts, a couple hitches. We're gonna make sure that boat's not gonna be drifting away from us. And then once that's all nice and tight, we're gonna come over to the gas pump. So we're gonna start off here, we're gonna pick up the pump, and then we're gonna flip this lever, make sure that pump's on, that's gonna engage the pumps and make sure the gas is gonna pump. So for the line, we're gonna make sure that we've got it pulled out so we've got some slack so that's not pulling tight when the boat's moving around. So we're walking around with the gas pump, we're gonna make sure that we've got our gas rag and we've got it wrapped around the nozzle nice and tight to make sure that there's no gas leaking out and it's spilling everywhere. We're gonna make sure that we're seeing a gas on this cap. There are also water holes and separate different tanks. We wanna make sure that we're putting it into the gas. So we're gonna pop that open. We're gonna set our gas rag just underneath, and then we're gonna move the nozzle into the hole. And then we're gonna hold that nice and snug to make sure gas isn't running down the side of the boat. And then we're gonna engage the pump. It's a similar pump style, just like filling up your car. Once that tank gets full, the pump will automatically shut off once it touches the gas. So it's very similar in that way. Once the gas shuts off, we're gonna safely pull it out, make sure that there's no gas coming out of the nozzle, and rewrap that rag over top of it. Then we're gonna make sure that we close the gas cap, and then we're gonna walk the pump back to the station. We turn that switch off that we had on, then the pump goes back to where it was at. And that's how you fill up your boat using a gas stock.